In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to IP ban someone in Discord. Have you ever encountered a situation on your Discord server where someone's presence becomes disruptive or harmful to the community? Discord provides a range of moderation tools to help manage communities effectively, including the ability to ban users. Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps to not just ban a user from your server, but to effectively IP ban them, ensuring they cannot easily return using a different account. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Discord website or use the desktop app. If you're not already logged in, you'll be greeted with a login page. Here you'll need to enter your email address associated with your Discord account. Make sure it's the one you used when you signed up or last updated your login details. After entering your email, the next step is to input your password. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so ensure you're typing it in exactly as it was when you created or last updated it. If you've forgotten it, there's always the option to reset it, but that's a topic for another day. Once your credentials are entered, proceed to click on the Login button. This should take you directly into the Discord application. If you're using the web version, you'll navigate to the Discord home, essentially your main landing page showcasing any servers you're part of or direct messages. From here, it's time to select your server. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of servers you're currently a member of. Click on the server from which you wish to ban a user. Remember, you need to have the necessary permissions to manage the server, specifically the ban members permission. This is typically reserved for server owners and members with administrative roles. Now, for the crucial part, navigate through the member list or chat to locate the user you wish to ban. Once you find them, right-click on their username. This opens a context menu with various options. Look for the ban option. It's a definitive action, so make sure this is the decision you want to proceed with. Upon clicking ban, you'll be prompted to select a reason for the ban. This isn't mandatory, but it's a good practice to document why the ban is being implemented, especially for future reference or for other moderators on the server. You can choose from predetermined reasons or write a custom one. Finally, after choosing your reason, you'll see the option to click ban once more. This is the last step. Once you click this, the user will be banned from your server. Discord automatically bans the IP associated with the user account, preventing them from simply creating a new account and rejoining your server with the same IP. A few additional tips to consider. Banning should be used judiciously. Before opting for a ban, consider if a warning or a temporary mute might be more appropriate based on the situation. Communication is key in community management, and sometimes an open dialogue can resolve issues without needing to resort to bans. Another important aspect is to be transparent with your server's rules and consequences. Ensure they are clearly communicated and accessible to all members to minimize misunderstandings and potential conflicts. To wrap up, banning a user from your Discord server is a straightforward process that any server administrator or moderator with the appropriate permissions can perform. It's an effective tool for maintaining the health and safety of your community. But remember, it's equally important to foster an environment where conflicts are resolved amicably when possible. Discord offers a robust platform for communities to thrive, and with great power comes great responsibility. Use these tools wisely and in the best interest of your community, and there you have it. You now know how to IP ban someone on Discord. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with other Discord server owners or moderators. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips on managing your online communities effectively.